Good morning. Today we're doing Audi Q2 TFSI Quattro and S-Line, and the problem of this one, same as usual, Tiguan, e-tron and Skoda Octavia, all of them. So the problem is reverse gear not engaging, transmission visit saying on the screen, and reverse gears malfunctions. Code is coming. If I am going to show you when I'm going to diagnose it. This is, you can see here, OGC gearbox DQ381, same as Tiguan, and I am going to try to read the code. You can see the row code here, P173500, position sensor for clutch 1 electrical error, and P173600, position sensor for clutch 2 electrical error, and P176F00, clutch 2 close intentionally, and the number 4 is U14444x0, front friction restriction due to low voltage. That's the common problem, and if you have the problem of like that, we try to clear the code, and the code will clear, but it's come back. At the moment is not, because we did not drive the car, but switch it off, switch it on, and then you can drive, and it's come back. When the car is hot, sometimes the car is hot, then is problem, sometimes is not hot, but engine light is on, and that's the code is coming. If you have the problem of like that, you can contact me. My name is Terry. We are in Hounslow. My phone number is 074025368382, and you can contact me. We can do same in same day, like 3 to 4 hours the car will be ready. And we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and you can contact me through WhatsApp, send me the error code, and we can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my video.